type of question is this? Some of you just ask some some question there. Do you think prop firm is for every trader? The secret is clear. If you're not a profitable trader, if you don't have your A game on, you always fail a prop firm. I mean, it's like a test game. Take prop firm as like a test challenge to make you disciplined for your own money, even in the future. But yeah, if you're not disciplined, if you're not skillful, you lose and lose and lose. Your 50 collection. If you go to check, you pay offertory. Your $50 will always be offertory to prop firms. Is your wife not living in your new house? So you want her to literally come and sit by me and we'll be doing the live together or what? The house is freaking huge. She can be anywhere in the house, and I may even take a while to find her. Do you use prop firms? I personally, why? Because I can actually fund you and be your own prop firm. So why should I use a prop firm when I am the prop? And again, I can actually fund you. So I can actually create the prop firm and fund you guys. So why should I go and use a product that I can create? I am the prop. I am the prop. I am the prop firm. You know, I cannot be paying 300 for a challenge. Bro, stop playing. I'm not a broke ass trader. I'm not saying prop firm are for this, but I got my own, you know. Even to that extent, so that I'm actually going to create one soon. You get out of my lips, but I'm telling you that I have something big coming on the background in terms of profit. So you guys are going to see a good launch very soon. I'm going to launch my firm very soon. Not too much details on that, but yeah, I'm going to launch. And it's going to be something for the people, by the people. You know how my vibe was always, you know, I always like sticking with what the people, you know, what the people want, not what Kojo wants. It benefit me. I've done well for myself. I'm okay with that, right? I mean, I'm just like, you see, life, you have to be content, you know. You have to. I'm not saying that be mediocre in your dealings. The moment you get some small bedroom, like I'm content, I'm sorted in life. But like at any point until relax, to enjoy, you know, the process. Relax and do enjoy your step ahead. Don't always like I can rush, let me get this, let me go to all this. The next minute there's a and then struggling, killing myself, bro. You're gonna die young, and then next of kin is going to enjoy all the estate you leave behind. So take time off, relax and enjoy. Me, I do stress heavily. Sometimes I can stress, sometimes I can just shut the system, like literally switch my body off and relax and enjoy, live life, you know. So traders is a waste of time and money. Why would you say that though? Salem Trade Official, what's your basis for saying that? Me, I've not tried. Me, I don't have opinion on things, nothing about, or things that I don't use, right? I'd rather up than sound ignorant or stuff. Most people do, especially with the guys on Twitter that follow me, because I'm tired. My funding firm would be like tailored for you to even interested in anything, you know. It will be tailored to literally win. And then, you know, the sick thing about my prop firm, you're still going to be using my own signal to pass that freaking prop firm. and still be feeding on it to make more money. And in fact, I'm going to do a whole YouTube video to use all these signals to literally them in one single trade, in two single trades, three single trades, pass that 10% challenge and use them to make extra money and get paid out instantly. Like, think about it, bro. We're not playing when we come in. You know, I will be saying, okay, I created this nonsense. They still don't support you on how to even pass, and then let you lose your money, and then they cash cow. They are taking your offertory. But for the challenge, right? Just wait for when I launch sickness, and I'm doing it with some heavy goons in the industry. I'm doing it with some goons in the industry, like top guy. Darren, you guys know Darren, my white friend, white man, a black man in a white skin. That's how I call it. He's a black man in a white skin. So me and him, we have that working on the background, right? Heavily coming up. Look at all. So give it some little time. You're gonna really process, right? Oh, you guys. So that's Darren. He's also coming for the right. He's also coming for the expo. He's also coming for the. He's actually on his way. He should land in Ghana in moment, right? He should land in Ghana any moment. So big things coming, like sick things. Big things coming. You see, we've been hiding all these good because we wanted to come into fruition before we make some noise about it. But yeah, Darren is married. He has a child already, very beautiful daughter. The time for the expo is nice. If you don't come for the expo, you're not going to get a place to sit. The expo is going to be filled. The auditorium's capacity is about 500. We have over 10 registration. The UPSA. So I'm giving you 300 people listening to me. If you're here and then you want to come, bring your friend. Tell a friend to tell another. The UPSA auditorium capacity 2,500. 10,000 set for the event. If I'm you, I'd be there at 7 a.m. Because you don't want to sit in front. You want to capture the front. If you capture any seat other than the Yawa don't gas. If you go and be at the top, that's all the giveaway, all the random sharing of money. When I'm doing expo like that, I can dip pocket $100, 100 euros, 1,000 euros, $100. You don't want to miss that. So come early, sit in front, benefit from the knowledge. You tap in the knowledge direct, plugging in directly to the source. If you're sitting, you start sleeping. You know, you go and hide, then you might as well just bring you blank yourself and sleep. So come early, right? Come early. You don't want to miss it. But yeah, so right, we have big. Yo, you guys, some of you joined late. Look at that. Some of you joined late. Some of you joined. I'm just letting you know that we have the golden. The boys are here. Goats, right? Goats meet the goats. Look at how we're blended, right? It's a beautiful thing to see, right? I'm Darren, Chris, and Dwayne to also arrive, right? Big things happening. Yes, traders all across. I was dropping them off. What's happening? So that's what's happening? That's Uganda as well. Yeah, I have some two guys in Uganda doing some crazy things. Come to Uganda, I'll definitely link with them. Right? Two guys doing some sick thing in Uganda. Me as well. Right? I met them to Kenya, they are sick. But definitely if I should come to Uganda, I'm definitely linking up with them. We'll do something big together. Right? With them when we're in Kenya, it was big. Receive any notification. If you don't receive any notification after registration, still come. Sometimes you know how all this